Hey guys, it's me, Amanda. Today I will be unboxing the iPhone 8 Plus in the color silver. And it's so pretty, guys. We got in 128 gigabytes. 128 gigabytes. Alright, guys, I am so excited. This is my first iPhone I ever had. So let's start it. Okay, right now we have the how-to pamphlets. We have the two Apple stickers. We have some important iPhone documents. We have the phone. As you can see, here's the front. Here's the back. Also pretty. We have the charger box. We have the headphones. See, this one don't come with the adapter because it already has the charger piece at the end of the headphones instead of the other old iPhones. And then we have the charger cord. Okay. Also got Super Shield's tempered glass screen protector. I got case. Okay, guys. Let's turn the phone on. Hopefully it's got some battery. So that is everything that's in the iPhone 8 Plus box. Hope everyone likes my video.